Welcome to Luxury Lighting, the place where design history and modern elegance come together. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most iconic styles of the 20th century, Art Deco, a design movement defined by geometry, luxury, and bold imagination, especially when it came to lighting. Art Deco emerged in the 1920s, right as the world was stepping into the age of modernity. After World War I, people craved a sense of glamour, optimism, and innovation. The result was a design language full of sharp angles, symmetry, and rich materials. And lighting was one of the most striking ways this style came to life. Think polished chrome, mirrored glass, glossy black lacquer, and inlaid metals. Art Deco fixtures were architecturally shaped like sunbursts, zigzags, and stepped pyramids. These weren't just light sources, they were centerpieces. The movement drew inspiration from ancient Egypt, industrial machines, and even the newly built skyscrapers of New York. Chandeliers stretched vertically in tiered formations, wall sconces flared like torch flames, and pendant lights often featured etched or frosted glass with streamlined contours. Even the materials reflected the era's fascination with luxury and progress. Bakelite, aluminum, exotic woods, and crystal. These elements weren't chosen just for function. They conveyed status, sophistication, and a bold step into the future. What makes Art Deco lighting so timeless is how easily it blends structure and ornament. It's architectural but not cold, decorative but never overdone. And whether you're outfitting a historic home or adding a touch of drama to a modern space, Deco-inspired lighting remains one of the most striking choices you can make. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Art Deco design. If you're inspired to bring some vintage glamour into your own home, check the description below for links to all the featured products in today's video, plus special discount codes just for our viewers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more lighting inspiration here on Luxury Lighting,